Dear student, today we are learning about mode of heat transfer. There are three mode of heat transfer. First one is the conduction, second one is convection, and third radiation. We already complete what is meant by conduction. We know that in solid heat transfer takes place by means of conduction. Today we have to study about the convection. So very simple. So actual motion of molecules from one point to another point, or we can say that the actual motion of molecule from high temperature region to low temperature region. Let's we take one more example. So this is the chamber. Now here we heat the water by means of gas burner. So what happened in that case, at the bottom the water molecules receive the heat, having kinetic energy become increases, the density of that water molecules becomes decreases, they are becomes lighter, after lighter they goes off, and those water molecules present at the top surface, they are heavier, so therefore they goes down. So in such way that convectional current is set up. So similarly as we in such way that convectional current is set up. So now we can say that the lighter molecules are going from bottom to top and heavier molecules are moving from top to bottom, means the actual motion of molecules from one point to another point, or we can say that at the bottom temperature is maximum, we consider that T1, at the top temperature is minimum, we consider that T2. So what happened, the water molecules are moving from the temperature of higher region to the temperature of lower region. So we can calculate the formula. So heat transfer take place, that is the rate of heat transfer by means of convection is directly proportional to the surface area and delta T, means temperature difference. So that is Q by T is equal to H A delta T. So where delta T means temperature difference, having SI unit is Kelvin, area, surface area, SI unit is meter square, H means convective heat transfer coefficient, and Q by T means the rate of heat transfer by convection. So now here H, we can calculate the SI unit as well as dimension for convective heat transfer coefficient. According to this formula, we can write Q divided by T on divide A into delta T. So we know that Q by T means rate of heat transfer, having SI unit is watt, area SI unit meter square, and SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So watts per meter square Kelvin, this is the SI unit of convective heat transfer coefficient. We have to calculate the dimension. So very simple, as we know that the dimension of watts M1 L2 T minus 3, the dimension formula for area, that is L2, the dimension formula for Kelvin, that is K1. So L2 get cancel, so we get that is M1 L0 T minus 3 K raised to minus 1.